My name is Mehdi, and I'm the founder of Panoramata, the ultimate intelligence e-commerce platform. And today, I was actually working for a client and trying to gather a few good examples and inspiration to create kit and bundles, Meta, Facebook, and Instagram ads. Because it's Black Friday is starting right now. Christmas it's just around the corner, so it's basically the kind of ads that we want to create. And I was about to do this benchmark, to do this research using the platform we created because it's a perfect use case. And I just thought, okay, let's do it in public. Let's just use this as an example for the community, for the clients, to show you how you can use the platform. So that's what I'm gonna do. I expect this to last, maybe 5-6 minutes. We should be good. And let's see what we do find on the platform for kit and bundles ads. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the search ads link here, which is actually the global search where we gather all the ads that we collect within the platform, the curated ads that we collect within the platform. And so, all right, way better. What I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna use this search, and I'm gonna start with, bundle. Let's be super specific here. Let's see what I got. And so I started to have a few examples. The thing that interests me the most is actually in the cosmetics, because my client is working in the cosmetic area. So yeah, basically you can see the platform right now. What you're seeing are just ads that are featuring bundles somewhere in the creative or in the copy. And okay, so yeah, interesting. So I kind of like the Wheezy examples here, because you mostly highlight the discount you might receive, right? Yeah, it's just mostly about the discount. It's super simple. That's the team, right? All right. I don't quite like the purple one. This one is interesting as well because it's featuring as well the discount mostly. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to add it in a list that I've created here. I'll share the list with you guys just right after the call. So I'm going to keep it there. What I do like as well is, I don't like the creatives here. You don't see anything. This one, actually don't have any sound here. Okay, there is actually any sound. Oh, there is.
It's really relaxing. Oh, okay, now.
Yeah, not really bundle or anything, so I'll just forget about it. This one is a discount. Okay, you know what? Scratch this. Let's go only and look for personal care examples, because that's the cosmetic, and that's where I want to focus. We've seen those ones already. All right. So all examples from Vanity Planet. Let me see if something else comes up here. All right. So I kind of like this one here. You start to show something else at the discount as just, okay, I have 3 products that actually have a goal all put together. So you actually selling a routine and not just the bundles. And I've seen those examples before, and those are 3 examples that I quite like. You'll see that here. I'll just run them just right away. And you see that the thing that we're selling right now is not just the discount of the bundle or the kit, but we're selling and we're getting the benefits of bundling those products together. It actually makes a routine, and here are the benefits. And yeah, you have Coco and Eve and you have Zitstika, and you see that those are great examples. Those are exactly the example that I'll put aside and actually add to my favorites as well, and share it with you later. But yeah, it's exactly the kind of examples that I was looking for my client. The Coco and Eve ones are actually pretty great. I kind of like the creative itself. Same for Zixtica. Actually, it's those are great examples. Those are perfect. All right, add to favorites. I'll send. I guess I'll put the list in the description down below. All right, Aliaskin. See this one. We're deep into the discount, but we don't see the benefits. So it's good to see the discount, but still. All right, this one, it's Coco and Eve again. Deep condition bundle, the same. So you're showing the discount. You're also, that's great. That's a great example. And you're also showing and sharing the benefits of each product and the benefit of bundling those products together. So it actually makes sense to buy it not only for the discount, but also for the benefits themselves. So, okay, that was exactly the examples I was looking for. All right, great. This one as well might be interesting. I'm cutting the sound, so actually the video is clearer for everyone. But this one is as well head to toe trio. It's actually fun. Yeah, that's what I meant. That's exactly. It's actually a fun example because you're showing the benefits. You're showing what it means and why those products should be bundled together with a new GC video. And by that, I mean a video that a customer have been made. Obviously, I don't think it's the real case right now. That's not for real, but it's looking like this. And it's a great example. That's actually perfect. Gonna keep that for sure as a reference later. Actually, love this one as well. Okay, that's a Coco and Eve, but we're 11.11 and we're on the discount. This is still Vanity Planet, still running what looks like a super a super creative.
Hey guys, my room is looking a little blank because I just moved the furniture.
And this is also a bundle for the brand Bloom. And what it does look like, okay, it's the same. It's bundled, but looks like it's made at the unboxing style. Actually, I don't like the creative without the sound. I can't actually get what they're talking about. So I'm just gonna skip. I already have a few examples that I kept. 11.11 sale again. Let me see that. It's fun. See, they added a label here at the end of the video, so people know which sale we're talking about. Yeah, without the sound, this one is a bit harder to follow. What other brands do we have here? Way, we haven't seen Way for now. Build your own bundle. Yeah, that's not exactly the kind of ads that I'm looking for. So I'll pass. What else could I find? Bloom, new and improved Bali. I like this kind of ads because it says, okay, we actually have a purpose here. Best-selling bundle, new and improved. I'm actually just curious to know what's behind. All right, save big on our bundles. Do we see the benefit of a bundle here or not? Maybe not. Oh, it actually shows the routine. It's not that bad. It actually shows the routine and each product that is contained in the bundle. So it's okay, I guess. 50 seconds, so it's pretty short. Yeah, it's good. It shows the texture. It shows real uses of the products as a routine. So it's great. And all right, we'll soon as yeah, this is not a bundle at all. This is one of the few that we've seen at the beginning. All right, interesting. And so basically, okay, this one, huge discount. Okay, all right. So you've seen what I've done here. I've took maybe how much? 8 minutes of my time. And what we did here was to gather, I'm gonna go, should be here. Yeah, I've added a few add into my favorites. I just had prepared this before into the video, but actually I made a list that you have here with all the interesting kit and bundles ads that we've seen during this video, which is actually kind of cool. Take the link and share it and using the platform. And that's the list that I'm gonna share with you in the description. And you can see here in the list, you have access to all the ads that we've reviewed during this video. So I'll share it in the description. Go there, have a look, and yeah, I hope it gave you an example of how to use the platform. If you have any question, anything, please reach out, send me an email, post a comment, find me on LinkedIn, or just go on panoramata.co and book a demo. I'll be on the other side of the call. Take care. Bye-bye.